Guys, and welcome back again to my channel. You can call it Semola Mukbang or Spinach Mukbang. I don't know what you call it. Alright guys, I just finished cooking and I made this for myself. I just want to challenge myself if I can finish this kind of food. And yeah, from the beginning you see the soup and the food. So if you didn't see it very well, this is how it is. It's very big. It's a food for maybe 7 people. That's what I'm going to finish for myself. And yeah, so this is the soup. This is spinach, fish, crayfish. Many things is inside this soup. A lot of things is inside here. And yeah, so mukbang continues. So if I finish this food, I just pray that I should finish this video before my husband comes back. Because if my husband comes back and see me with this kind of food, no, I always tell you guys, my husband don't like me eating a lot, but since he's not at home, I decided to make this as a video. I just decided to make this challenge for myself and for you guys. So here we go. Hopefully I finish all of them. As an African woman, let's see if I can finish all of them. Yeah, as I've got a money of man. Let him know for I didn't carry out what didn't keep the pocket. Man, because I'm get out money lazy. I'm a village woman. So let's see how it goes. If you look closer, you see that this Semola is bringing fire. I just finished cooking now. This soup is delicious. My husband is going to like it. I like it. It's very, very delicious. Guys, come and eat with me, oh. The food is going to finish. Come and eat with me. We can apple is walk. Nose walk on up here now. Come and eat with me. This food is really delicious. This is what hungry can make. Look at it. I'm going half full. Yeah? If I finish this food today, if I finish this thing, I'm going to disown myself. How can somebody eat 17 people food? I'll disown myself before my husband will disown me. For this food, they hurt me for belly. It's very hot inside my tummy. I don't think I can continue. I won't try this type again with hot food. The end is I'm done. I thought I was going now. I know I can't finish this food, I know. Without being told, I know that I can't finish this food. I know that I can't finish it. Ah, Mamma mia. Is this how I'm going to finish? It's very hot. Just look at the way the smoke is coming out. It's very, very hot. Like, I can't try this one again. Next time if I want to do this kind of thing, I'll just, calm myself down and wait for it to cool before I'll do it. Eating it with hot. Mamma mia. I beg, I'm done. No. I don't want to eat again. Let me lick my soup. No, I don't want to eat again. I'm already licking the soup. I know that I can't finish this. Even if the governor of my state give me 3 million naira to finish this food, I can't. You know why? Because I'm gonna be as heavy as, okay guys, just imagine. I even tried to eat it like this. Look at where the food remains. See what I eat? This is what I eat. Let's say three quarter or 4/4. 3/4 of the food is what I eat. I don't want to finish. I don't want to die. I don't want to disown myself. I still love myself. No. Let me just cook chop my meat. But the soup is not as hot as the semola. So if you're wondering the kind of semola that I did, I'll put the picture here so that you guys will see the kind of semola that I'm using. This semola, it's very, very beautiful. When you make it, it's like it's yellowish or yellowish. In Ghana, it's yellowish. I'm not Ghana, but I don't know what they call it. Either yellowish or yellowish, or in fact, the total topic is that the semola is yellow. That is the topic. Is yellow. So whether yellowish or yellowish or yellowish, all of them are yellow. So don't forget. For now, cracking. This is my plate of the soup is empty. So guys, the challenge gone wrong. The challenge gone wrong. Mukbang challenge gone wrong because the name looking, I'll finish it, but now that I couldn't, it's not my fault. I'm sorry. It's not my fault. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Eating challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. I didn't encourage you to eat this kind of food, but I can encourage you not to try it. Eat according to your tummy, eat according to your size. So that is it. You see? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Till my next video. I can't wait to see you all. Yeah? Tell them to speak my algorithm. Just tell them to speak my algorithm because I'm not amazing. Mamma mia, I'm not amazing. Aquarano. I like sharma aquarano. Gashi così so with them. Jee dobe na kitchen. Jiko nwayo. Na-ele anya ebe ị na-aga. She wants to break the... Don't break kitchen, auntie. Esi mi kitchen ya gawa n'ime ụlọ. Just imagine. Biko ka ọ dị no. Bye bye. Ike agwụdala m ji ebilite ebe asị. I'm tired to get up, but I will try because I ate overdose. This is more than overdose. Oh, eating 17 people semo. Hey, overdose. I didn't finish it. I'm like this, but actually, if I should eat on my own, it will be small, just small. Yeah, I'm good to go.